Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making Kabab Toast and this is totally different recipe. For this here I have taken one kebab. I am making one toast right now, so I am using ingredients according to that. You can use the ingredients according to your need. So here I have taken one kebab, two pieces of naan. I have taken half naan and I have cut that naan into two quarters. One onion sliced, one cucumber sliced. And here I have prepared a sauce. For the sauce here I have taken 2 tablespoons of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of cream, half teaspoon of mustard paste, half teaspoon of black pepper, a handful of coriander leaves and 1 heaped teaspoon of green chili sauce. Now it's time to assemble. So first I will take one piece of this naan and over this I will spread the sauce. Bismillah. Lavishly spread. Now here I have spread the sauce. Now over the sauce I will keep some onions. Bismillah. As much as you want. Cucumber. Kebab. I'm keeping the whole kebab, but still if you want you can mash this. And now again over this I will drizzle more sauce. And some more onions, cucumbers, and now with the second part I will cover this. Your very different style of kebab toast is ready to be served. You can serve this toast with any sauce of your choice, fries. I hope you like this video. See you soon in my next video, inshallah. Till then, fi amanullah, take care and Allah Hafiz.